Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine Fab Marketplace video. This is for the second half of February 2026. We have access to 3 amazing assets, free until the 24th of February, but you can keep them forever. You only have until the 24th to claim them, but you can keep them forever. This round, we've got access to the Platformer 8 Underworld Low Poly 3D Models pack, the Advanced Phone System V3 Replicated, and the Medieval Modular Wall pack Kit Bash collection. So without further ado, let's get right into it, starting with the Platformer 8 Underworld Low Poly 3D Models pack. So this is a pack with 100 assets which offer endless possibilities for crafting unique locations. You can arrange landscapes and obstacles in ways that make each level more intricate and engaging. On top of this, there are also 3 pre-designed game levels ready for use in your projects, saving you valuable time. These levels span 350 meters and showcase a variety of asset combinations for inspiration as well. These models are also optimized for games, and these are also easily editable and customizable, and you can also use them for animation, advertising and marketing, VR and AR, 3D printing, and anything else that you like. So this again includes 100 models, those being platforms, decorations, environments, obstacles, and props. I think this one looks absolutely fantastic. This is normally £70 for your personal license and £210 for your professional license, but free until the 24th of February. And next up, we have the Advanced Phone System V3 Replicated. So there's not much to say about this one. You kind of can figure out what it is. It is a phone system which works in online multiplayer as well. So this features a notes app, a video app, security camera, gallery, flashlight, music player, minimap, bank, market, browser, camera, lock system, register user multiplayer, add new multiplayer contact screen, messaging with NPC, sending a photo to NPC and receiving a photo from NPC, as well as also receiving voice message from NPC, video calling, voice calling with NPC, node-based dialogue system, NPC dialogue, and NPC taking and sending photos. With all of that, there is 15 blueprints, and the input is keyboard and mouse, and again, this is obviously network replicated. One thing to note is that it looks like some AI-generated images have been used on the marketplace page. Now, whether that is just for promotional and marketing, I'm not sure, as it does say that the system itself and the pack hasn't had AI used within it, but that's just something to note that I'm just putting out there in case that changes your mind about anything. But again, it looks like AI wasn't used to make it, just in some of the promotional material. Normally, this is £30 for your personal license and £33 for your professional license. And last but not least, we have the Medieval Modular Wall Pack Kit Bash collection. So this allows you to build immersive medieval environments with a versatile collection of 48 modular 3D wall models. This is designed for game designers, level creators, and 3D artists, and this pack is perfect for creating detailed medieval settings with ease and precision. So, like I say, this features 48 modular 3D wall designs, there's PBR textures, low poly models with quad topology, modular components, real-world scaled models, no additional plugins are required, customizable materials, clean topology, and multi-use compatibility. So the fact that this is modular is absolutely amazing because it means that everybody can have this pack and everybody's assets and worlds can look completely different, as you can really customize how you want your buildings to look using this pack of different walls and windows and doorways and arches and everything along those lines. So I think this looks absolutely amazing if you wanted to build out a medieval world. Normally, this is £45 for the personal license and £308 for the professional license, but obviously again, free for the next 2 weeks. And so with that, I think that'll be it for this video, covering the limited time free for the second half of February 2026. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it helpful of me just covering these assets and showcasing them and reminding you that you have them to claim. If you did enjoy it, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below, as it really does help me and the channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.